to my channel. My name is Chizy. I'm super excited to have you here today. If you like the content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with my latest videos. And don't forget to share it with your friends who might also enjoy it. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me to keep creating awesome contents for you. Thanks for coming. Now let's dive right in. Okay, this is 25 liters of Dettol. First of all, let's introduce the ingredients, the materials we'll be working with. The first thing here is water. For 2.5 ml, we're gonna use 75 cl of water. Okay, the second thing is Disinfectant. For 2.5 liters, we're gonna use 30 ml of Disinfectant. The next thing is pine oil. Here I combine pine oil and phenol. Pine oil and phenol. The quantity of pine oil here is 200 ml, and the quantity of phenol here is 20 ml. So we're using 200 ml of pine oil and 20 ml of phenol for 2.5 liters. They are all here. The next one is this chloroxylenol. We're using 100 ml of chloroxylenol. And this is IPA, isopropyl alcohol, IPA. We're using 1.250 liters. The two of them are IPA. Then this is color. Color is optional. If you want to add color, you add, but it's optional. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so the first thing to add here is Disinfectant, 30 ml. The next thing is the pine oil and phenol mixed together. If you want to separate it, put your pine oil first. Better put your pine oil first, turn together with Disinfectant, and then put your phenol. But I prefer joining pine oil and phenol together, so that's what I'll pour. Then you stir together. Stir until the Disinfectant dissolves completely. Stir very well. And make sure your Disinfectant dissolves completely. The next thing to add here is your chloroxylenol. Lenore 100 ml. And use that. Then it's time to pour your water, 75 cl. You will be pouring it gently and you stir as you pour. It's time to put your IPA, the 1.250 ml IPA. It's time to put it. And see the color changes immediately we pour our IPA. That's exactly what we're looking for. Wow, this is lovely. Look at the end product. Our Dettol is ready here. This is awesome. When you put Dettol in water, you will notice the color changes. That's how to know that you've gotten it. That's the original Dettol. Look at this. Can you see that in the water? That's exactly what we want, and that's how Dettol looks like in the water when you use it. When you add it inside it. If you like the content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with my latest videos.